Hello guys, how to reset a Spotify music app on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes it happens that your Spotify music not working properly on your Windows 11 and 10 system, and to do so you must reset your Spotify music app. To do so, open Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, and here choose apps from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and click on installed apps. Here in search field type Spotify and click on three horizontal dot against a Spotify music app. Choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First, you must try repair. If this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Click on reset. Wait for some time. It will take few seconds and a tick mark will appear just beside reset button. Your Spotify music app successfully